Hi, I am Andrea Janzel, Technical Sales for DELMIA Augmented Experience. When I visit different manufacturing and assembly plants around the globe, I often observe operators and quality controllers facing challenges in understanding instructions, typically presented in 2D drawings or paper-based formats. Additionally, the growing needs for product customization leads to increased complexity and numerous possible configurations. This, in turn, results in assembly errors and a long and intricate instruction process for each configuration. DELMIA Augmented Experience helps by overlaying 3D instructions onto the reality, gathering data from operators and quality controllers to enhance engineering and industrial processes. Our solution is completely hardware agnostic. Our aim, technology adapting to operators, not the other way around. Depending on the task at hand, operator will switch effortless between devices like tablets, AR headsets, projectors, and camera. The goal is to guide the operators so effectively that they achieve first-time quality, as instructions are easy to visualize, always in the right place and at the right time. Moreover, inspections are quicker and remaining errors are identified earlier in the process, with a strong documentation and with traceability always linked to the 3D model.